We've pushed Colwyn Bay to the last game of the season. I spoke to Danny Warren just then. How's the mood in the dressing room?
Yeah, lads are disappointed. You know, we've, like I said, all season set targets for ourselves to win the league, and you know, we've fallen just short with coming second. You know, congratulations to Colwyn Bay and the players and staff. You know, they've done really, really well this season, and obviously just pipped us to the post. But you know, we've had a good season, and some of the things that we've done with the amount of goals we've scored and the points accumulated it's been really good, and testament to the lads in there for their efforts.
Did you say before that we scored nearly 100 goals or something?
I think we scored 102, I think, which is the most that's ever been scored in the Cymru North, which is nice to have. But we're second, you know, and you know that's it's about points at the end of the day, isn't it? And
then to have two of our players in that top scoring.
Yeah, both of them have done fantastically well. You know that. I've said all the season that's the reason we signed Danny Warren to score that amount of goals. And George, you know, George has done fantastic. I've always harped on about his consistency, and he's been our most consistent player this season, I think. And you know, he's added goals to his game more and more. He's a real threat today, trying to get a couple more. But you know, it's fantastic for him.
Did you think the goal for Caersws just before half-time give them a bit of life for the second half?
Yeah, it did. I thought that when they changed their shape, they caused us a few problems, really. But I think in the second half, I think James should have scored a couple more to get his hat-trick or four. There's a couple of balls flashed across the box as well for Ollie to get onto. So we should have added more to it, I think. And you know, it was a physical game, difficult conditions, but I thought we did well.
We seem to come here and have quite close games between us both.
Yeah, I mean, look, you know, Caersws, you know, doesn't really show where they are in the league from what they've achieved today and beyond afterwards. So you know, it's always difficult to come away and to places like Caersws. You know, they've a lot of experience and know-how, and they did make it difficult for us, but we coped well.
So the league's ended, obviously, but we've got a final to look forward to on Friday. How's Joe Palmer after?
We took him off as a precaution, and we'll see how he is, and then we'll look for, you know, who's available for Friday. And you know, at the end of the day, if we win that, which is no guarantee against Bangor, we go to the national one.
Yeah.
We've got a semi-final to play, so there's still lots to play for. You know, in the season, and you know, it'd be nice to get some silverware because the lads deserve it.
Congratulations on the 3 points and well done on the season.